Good morning everyone. My name is Noorain. Today I will narrate you the story of Puss and the Parrot. On a rainy day, Puss the cat is feeling hungry. He sees a parrot and wants to eat him. He requests the parrot to come near him and sing a song. When the parrot comes near the puss, he jumps on him and goes to eat him. The parrot says to him, "First you wash your hands and face before eat me." When the puss goes, the parrot says, "I am not going to wait for you to eat me. Here, I go, bye-bye, puss." And the parrot flies away. I hope you will enjoy the story. Okay, bye-bye.